Hey guys, I thought it might be helpful to show you the snipping tool in case you need to use that if you don't know what it is. So let's say I wanted to take a picture of something and copy and paste it or save part of my screen. Down here in the lower left hand corner, click on the Windows, and over here on the right you'll see the snipping tool. When I open it up, it has a little taskbar. If it's in the middle of your screen where you want to take a picture of, you just move it out of the way. Click on New, and then from here you can highlight over what you want to take a picture of. If I mess up, I can just click on New again, and then I can just restart. Okay, the nice thing is you can save it. You can click Save Snip, and you can save it to your pictures or whatever, but you can also just copy and paste in a lot of your Google documents. So right click, copy, go to my document, paste, and there it is. So that might help you save time, especially if you're adding pictures of something from the internet or something like that. All right, thank you.